You can use tags to help organize your rules so that they are easier to visualize and to help you organize them. You can assign more than one tag to a rule, but in this example I've assigned just a single tag to each rule in the security policy. I've kept this simple. I have two tags, allow good apps and block bad apps. You create tags under Objects, Tags. I have the two that I created, allow good apps and block bad apps. Sanctioned and empty are predefined tags. Creating a new tag is simple. Click Add, give the tag a name. I'll call this one QA Rules, select a color, and add a comment if you wish. Click OK and there's your new tag. With the tags in place, I can assign one or more of them to each rule in any of my policies. In the security policy, you can see that I've already applied block bad apps or allow good apps as appropriate to each of the rules. Assigning a tag is simple. You can edit the rule, and for the tags drop-down list you can choose one of the predefined tags that you create. You can also click directly on an entry in the tags column and choose a tag from this drop-down list here. I can also use tags to organize how my rules are displayed in the policy. For each rule I can also select a tag to use for grouping. This drop-down here for Group Rules by Tag lets me choose a tag that I want to use for grouping in Panorama. In this case, I'll tell Panorama to group this rule using the block bad apps tag. I've already assigned the group by option for each of these additional rules, and with those selections in place, I can use this box here at the bottom for View Rule Base as groups. When I check this box, Panorama gives me a different way to look at the rules. Here on the left are the tag groups. Each number represents the number of the rule in the rule set that falls within that category. When I highlight a tag group like Block Bad Apps or Allow Good Apps, I can see all the rules that have been organized by that tag on the right. You can use tags in all the policy sets: security, NAT, QoS, policy-based forwarding, and so on. I can go back to the standard display for the rules in a policy by unchecking the box for View Rule Base as groups. Viewing rules using this tagging option might not seem very useful if you only have a few rules like I do in this example. But if you have hundreds of rules, this option may make it much easier for you to organize and view and work with your policy rules.